Past exam questions on frequency. Question number 1. You're going to have to do a bit of stratified sampling here, I think. The table below gives information about some students in a school. Andrew's going to carry out a survey of these students. He wants to use a sample of 50 stratified by year and group, by year group and gender. Work out the amount of year 13 girls he should be in his sample. So what you do, the girls in year 13, there's 85 of them, so you do 85 divided by the total number and you multiply that by 50, which gives you 11.1. As you can't have 11.1 of a student, sadly, the answer is 11. You round to the nearest whole number of students. Question 2, again, stratified sampling. The table gives information about the number of students in 2 years of a college course. First year and second year. Anna wants to interview some of these students. She takes a random sample of 70 students stratified by year and gender. Work out the number of students in a sample who are male and in the first year. Well, there's 399 in there in total, but what you need to do is 399 divided by 1,451, multiply it by 70, you get 19.2, so it is 19, because you can't get 19.2 students, sadly. Question 3, the table shows some information about the heights of 100 students. Find the class interval which the median lies. The median is the middle value, so it's 100 students, so this will go up, this will add up to 100, the frequency. So where's the 50th value? Just keep going down, adding up, that's 24. That will be 49, so it'll be in that one there. It'll be in that one there, so that's my answer to that one. Work out an estimate for the mean height of the students. You need to be able to estimate the mean. It's a C grade skill. Because it's group data, find your midpoints and multiply it across. Frequency times midpoint, there's your answers. Add them up. And you should divide that by 100, which gives you 149. And also 149 is actually quite a sensible answer because it's near the top end of this group, so that's roughly in the middle of all of this lot. If you get an answer of say 28, that's clearly wrong because the answer must be between 120 and 170, and it's got to be fairly in the middle of those two, so use a bit of common sense for that one. Question 4. There's a survey on the number of school dinners 32 students had in 1 week. Majid has done this table of information. Calculate the mean. This is just mean of data. So you multiply across, add it up, divide by 32. So you should have got 2.375. That's your final answer for that one. Question 5. Bianca asked 32 women about the number of children they had. So here you go. Find the mode. Mode is the most common number of children. Or 9 of them said they didn't have any children at all. So the most common number of children is 0. Calculate the mean. Again, multiply across, which we've done there. Add it up, and it's 52. And she asked 32 women. So it's 52 divided by 32, which is 1.625. You can't strictly get 1.625 children, sadly, so you could argue you could round that up to 2, but if you write that, say why you've done it. Question number 6. The table shows some information about the age and years of 60 people. Write down the modal class. Mode is the most common, which is there because there's 13 of them, so it's 10 to 19. Luke says the median lies in class 30 to 39. He's wrong. Explain why. The best way to explain why is just to say where the median actually does lie. So how many? 60 students, so the median will be the 30th value. So 6 add that is 19. So it will be 6. That's 19, 29, 31. So it'll be in there. So it'll be 20 to 29. So that's where the median is. On the grid, draw a frequency polygon for the information on the table. Your frequency polygon is just a line graph, essentially. Plot your points on. From this one, so 0 to 9, for example, frequency is 6. So, but the midpoint is 4.5. So what you do is plot your point at 4.5, and it's 6. Next one is 14.5, 13, 14.5, 13. Connect them up, and that's all you're required to do. Question number 7. 60 students take a science test. The test is scored out of 50. Here's the marks. Draw a frequency polygon to show the information. So between 0 and 10 is 5, and there 4 people got that. So it's 5, which is in the middle there, and 4 people got it. Next one, it'll be 15 against 13. So 15 against 13, and so on. So it should look something like that and connect them up. Question 8. Table shows information about the weights in kilograms of 100 boxes. Plot this on a frequency polygon. Again, take your midpoint. So your midpoint is 2 against 10. So it would be 2, 10. Next one is 6, 17. So it's 4, 5. So 6, 17. And connect them up, and it'll give you the right answer. And there are your questions on frequency.